Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about the key identification of powdery mildew genera. How we have to identify the powdery mildew genera. And now let us know what is meant by powdery mildew. Powdery mildew. Mildew means something that which covers the entire leaf. Which covers the entire leaf surface. It is called as a mildew. And powdery mildew. Powdery is like powder. Whitish powder mass is called as powdery mildew. It covers the entire leaf tissue, and after that it leads to the necrosis of host tissue. And the powdery mildew genera are the obligate ectoparasites, which means they live on the outer surface of the cells. They does not enter into the host cells. They live ectophytically, and it produces the hastoria. Hastoria will take the nutrition from the cells, and it produces asexual reproduction through asexually it produces the conidia, and through sexual reproduction through gametangial contact it produces the ascos- ascospores in the fruiting body called clistothecium. Now let us know about the clistothecium. Clistothecium is a globo-shaped or ball-shaped fruiting body with pseudoparenchymatous tissue. It is called as a peridium, which is a pseudoparenchymatous tissue, and on which the acai produces, and on it the ascospores are produced. After the maturity of ascospore, this ball will be ruptured, and the ascospores are dispersed from the clistothecium. And now let us know about the different key identification characters of powdery mildew genera. First one, nature of mycelium. And next, based on nature of mycelium, there are three types of powdery mildew. Three types. That is ectophytic, endophytic, and ectoendophytic. Ectophytic means which lives on the outer surface. They do not enter into the host cell. Endophytic means they live inside the host cell. And ectoendophytic means both on the outer surface of the host tissue and and enters into the host tissue. Example for the ectophytic are Erythema, Pseudospora, Aninsinula, Spheretica, and Microsphaera. And endophytic are Levellula, and ectoendophytic Pilectania. And based on number of assays, there are one and many. Uniaxial ascoma or multi-acyl ascoma. Here these are the assay. If it has only one assay, it is called uniaxial ascoma, and multi-acyl ascoma when it has more than one assay. And example for the uniaxial ascoma is Speratheca and Podospera, and multi-acyl ascoma is Erythema, Aninsula, and Microspera. And based on number of or types of conidial stages. Types of conidial stages: oidium, oidiopsis, and ovuloropsis. Oidium, it is also called as acrosporium, and example for the oidium is Erythema and Podospera, and it produces the conidia or ectophytically, and the conidiophore is very short and produces the barrel shaped conidia, which is a single barrel shaped conidia, and conidia are produced in the chains. And now let us move to the idiopsis. Example for the idiopsis, levellula, and it produces conidia through stomata of the host tissue, and the conidia may be branched or unbranched, and it may produce as the cylindrical with bunted tips conidia or pointed tips conidia, and the conidiophore is septate and hyaline. In the both cases, it is hyaline and septate. And next, let us move to the ovuloropsis. And example for it is Pilectania, and it may be straight or spiral shaped, and septate, and produces the rhomboid shaped conidia. It is also single rhomboid conidia, and which produces the spiral shaped conidia for it is a Pilectania subspiralis. and the production of conidia is through ectoendophytic. And types of clistothecial appendages. As we know that sexual fruiting body of powdery mildew is clistothecium, and clistothecium is globose, on which the appendages are produced like this. And this based upon the appendages, types of appendages, there are four types. And mycelloid appendages. Mycelloid itself indicate that mycelium like appendage. These are somatic hyphae. It is not it is somatic means it is indirectly saying that mycelium. And flexible, it is flaccid. Flaccid means which is soft tissue, flexible, it can be moved. And circuloid or hooked or coiled appendages. Example for it is Anuncinella, and it is hook shape is present, so it is called as hook. Otherwise, it is coiled. You can see here. And this one appendages are rigid. And next, let us move to the dichotomously branched. Dichotomously, this type of branching is present at the tips. And example for it is podospora and microspora. Dichotomously branched tips are present, and it is also rigid and flattened at the and the bulbous base with pointed tips. Example for it is Phyllectinium. It produces the bulbous base and pointed tips, and it is also the rigid one. Flexible is only in the mycelloid, and all the three are rigid. Thank you.